Hi, good evening, guys. How are you guys doing today? I am back with yet another episode of Talking and Jamming with your host and host, Virat Chabra. गाइस आज ना थोड़ा सा मैं एकदम डिफरेंट कोई चीज़ करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि आज आज ना हमारे साथ बहुत ही एक अलग किस्म के इंसान आने वाले हैं and this guy is basically a rapper. So this episode is something that I basically have been kind of waiting for, and at the end of the day, it is something that kind of I really wanted to do. So I told my team कि यार आजकल ऑब्वियसली अभी तक ना डीजेज आ चुके हैं, सिंगर्स आ चुके हैं, we've got karaoke singers also on the show, but till now we did not have one single rapper on the show, and rap is something that is very close to my heart. जितने लोग मेरे को जानते हैं वो लोग सब ये जानते होंगे that I am heavily influenced by hip hop and rap music. So it is something that is very close to me, and I would definitely want to promote this particular genre of music because this genre of music comes straight from here, my dear friends, comes straight from the heart. So with that said and done, I would like to kind of tell you who my guest is. As I told you, he's a rapper, and he's not only a rapper but he's also a fantastic MC and an anchor as well. He's also participated in various reality shows which have come on television. He's become famous because of those reality shows, and he's also a fantastic singer, rapper, singer, MC, and he's also a guy who's got brains. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today for the first time we have on our show, on My Musicpedia, on Talking and Jamming, we have a person who is very intellectually profound. दिमाग है इस बंदे में, दिमाग बहुत ज़्यादा, और वही दिमाग को लेकर आज हम लोग आप लोगों के साथ वार्तालाप करेंगे. मैं आपको उसकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर और उसकी ज़िंदगी के साथ रूबरू करवाऊँगा. So without further ado, let me try to bring rapper Maddie on the show. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be joined by rapper Maddie very soon. Let me see if I can kind of yes, I am connecting with him, and let me come on to the show. So as I told you, he's one guy who's what's up?
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for such a great intro, bro. I mean, this is. It seems like you have been keeping an eye on me or something like that.
Yeah, my eyes are always on you, my dear friend.
Thank you.
But
So, what's up? The hip hop music comes from your heart, bro.
yeah, man. I mean, rap, and hip hop is like from here, man. It's right from the core of my heart. I mean, I'm a huge Eminem
True.
fan, and I have been influenced by rap and hip hop music since I was like this high. So I'm not that tall also right now. But मैं जब से इतना था तब से I've been
Doesn't
listening
matter,
to
man. Height does not matter. You know this.
yeah,
A
man.
wise
Uh,
man, a wise man once said, "To know that money does not buy you happiness, you have to have a lot of money." And a short
defi-
man definitely knows that height is not everything. So let's
Definitely.
just let's just keep it at that.
Definitely, bro.
Yeah.
Definitely, and we're gonna be having a fantastic show today. As I was telling everybody, you are very intellectually profound. Anshit, just tell us something about your background. I mean, where did you do your college from? What did you do in college? How did you come into music?
Okay, so there's a small little story about it. मेरे स्कूल में मुझे किसी ने बोला था कि so I wrote a poem for a person who was my crush in my school. Okay,
Oh,
and
nice.
that the crush was very famous, and she was the crush of almost everybody in the school, right? So
Right.
धीरे धीरे करके वो crush के पास होते होते सीधे principal तक पहुंच गई. तो प्रिंसिपल ने बेटा बोला कि भाई इधर आ, तू बड़ी पोएम में लिख रहा है, तू एक काम कर, तू ना कल सुबह पोएम लिख के ला सुबह के लिए असेंबली के लिए। तो मैंने कहा ठीक
Right.
है, challenge taken. And the next day I wrote a really nice poem and she loved it and she never thought that I could do that. Okay. And so पहले तो उन्होंने मेरा केस लिया कि भाई तू लव लेटर लिख रहा है। मैंने कहा लव का कोई बात ही नहीं है उसमें, आप देखो कितनी अच्छी कविता है वो, कवि की कल्पना को देखो। So I had a good rapport with my principal, but anyway, so I got saved. I didn't got bashed, but yeah, she asked me to write a poem, and I did write a poem which was very good, and she could not punish me after that. And
Right.
she knew the fact कि अगर इसे कुछ भी फर्क पड़ता है ना, तो इसे publicly embarrass होने में फर्क पड़ता है। You understand what she is going to? उसको
Right.
तो तभी से, so since even in my school I used to dance and I used to be in all these co-curricular activities and stuff. And
Right.
to be precise, if I really want to say something, I would say that even in school I was enjoying that celebrity life of my own. So yeah, that's how
Yeah, you
the
had-
music thing came. मैंने वो पोएम लिखी, फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार इसको कुछ ऐसे स्टाइल से बोलते हैं कि everybody likes it, so फिर
Right.
मुझे पहली बार पता चला कि रैपर्स को तालु कवि कहा जाता है हिंदी में,
Right.
if you like, अगर आप कविता को किसी ताल के साथ बोलते हैं तो that is the exact word for it, तालु कवि। And then I got to know
Okay.
about it. फिर मुझे पता चला भाई साहब एक व्यक्ति है जिनका नाम है टूपाक। ओके।
Right.
और वो कोई है चीज, और टूपाक शाकुर नाम है उनका, और भाई वो बहुत ही खतरनाक इंसान है।
एक सेकंड मैडी, मैं आई जस्ट वांट टू कट यू आउट इन द मिडल as you said Tupac, right? I want to show you something. I really
Okay.
want to show you something. Okay?
Okay.
This is in remembrance of Tupac Shakur. So
Okay.
you see this?
yeah, I do.
This is Tupac right here, man.
I know.
So
Hip hop comes from the heart, bro.
Yeah, man. I mean, this is like complete ghetto style, and I'm a gangster, and as I told you, gangster hip hop fanatic. But yeah, go ahead. So Tupac tha, फिर
Okay,
उसके बाद?
so yeah, so I got to now I have a problem with the thing. If I know one name, I want to know everything about that person. You understand what I'm saying? For example, just
Right.
people used to talk about Frank Sinatra. I used to listen to jazz music, okay? Now, if everybody's
Right.
talking about Frank Sinatra, I said, यार कोई अगल बगल का भी तो होगा या सिर्फ Frank Sinatra ही था उसके साथ? Then I got to know about
Right.
Dean Martin. Then I got to know about the first person who used to roast. There was this guy, I'm forgetting his name. Very old comedian now. He used to roast like Kapil Sharma in 1965, और वो भी प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड रीगन को कर रहा है वो रोस्ट। आप सोचो।
Right.
So इनका क्लास और लेवल ही अलग था भाई। तो फिर वहां से so then I got to know कि जैज और रैप का भी एक बहुत जुड़ा हुआ पार्ट है, एंड जैज से ही रैप म्यूजिक निकला, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। So I totally accept everybody has a different kind of story to their kind of rap, but
Right.
eventually you have to understand कि म्यूजिक सारेगामा पाधानी से ही निकला है, so उसी के फॉर्म्स एंड फॉर्मेट्स हैं सारे के सारे, राइट? सो अगर कोई इंडिया में आके ये बोलता है कि यार आप लोग रैप नहीं करते थे, तो कभी आप राजस्थान जाना। राजस्थान में जब आप किसी राजस्थानी म्यूजिक प्लेयर्स के आसपास बैठते हो तो वो आपको पहले कहानी सुनाते हैं कि मारो राजो
Right.
ऐसो तो, काम करो वो ऐसो तो। सो दैट इज बेसिकली अ रैप, जिसे हम भूमिका बांधना कहते हैं।
Right.
So yeah, that's about it. So this is how I just don't want to learn what is rap. You understand? I want to know where it grew from, where it came from, what happened to it, how is it so famous, and that's where Tupac Shakur comes in the scene, where I learned everything
Right.
with this particular single point name. कि यार
Right.
ये नाम से ना मैंने देखना शुरू करा कि क्या है, कौन करता है, ये क्या होता है, बीट्स क्या होती हैं, बार्स क्या होते हैं, ग्रूव क्या होता है। आप किसी लड़के से
Right.
आज की डेट में पूछो कि ग्रूव क्या होता है, वो बता नहीं पाएगा आपको। बोलेगा यार बस बेस होनी चाहिए और बीट होनी चाहिए। Ask them
Wow.
what's the groove and forget about
Right.
anything else. Ask them what is rap. Rap का full
Right.
form ही rhythm and poetry है।
Right.
Yeah. So just anybody who is rapping out there, it's very good to have a talent to write words and weave words.
Right.
But there's no point if it's not telling you anything. Like for example, Kendrick Lamar का एक song है, something like "Sit down, be
Right.
humble."
Be humble.
This song freaking tells you what he's trying to teach his son. उसका जो son है वो भी rap लिखता है, and he's a kick-ass rapper by the way.
Right.
So there are a lot of people who are rapping in India, but no one is like Bohemia. No one is teaching somebody. like
Right.
hitting the mark.
Now,
So
now,
I think,
now, when you talk about rappers in India, obviously, of late, one particular area that has come into prominence, जो एकदम सबके जहन के अंदर बैठ गया है, especially after the movie Gully Boy, is Dharavi.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
Dharavi के अंदर मतलब of late, what all I have also seen and I've experienced is that
Mm-hmm.
there are legitimate and legit people who've got some serious talent of rapping. I
Correct,
mean,
correct.
for that matter, Divine is one of the biggest rappers who's just completely exploded on the scene after Gully
Mm-hmm.
Boy.
Mm-hmm.
Nas has also exploded. So,
Correct.
what do you think? I mean, India के अंदर scope है rapping का या it's only in the West?
Okay, so this is, I don't know if you've seen this or not. When the movie Gully Boy came, so I was approached for the role called MC Sher ka role, and if it's का पूरा video मेरे Instagram पे भी डला हुआ है, and Zoya Akhtar checked it out.
Oh,
Why did I tell
damn.
you this? Because they wanted a heavy boy for it, and
Right.
I did that MC Sher ka thing. But anyway, coming back to the point,
Right.
and if anybody wants to check it out, it's on my Instagram. Um, After that thing happened, the Gully Boy came. I had front page articles in every newspaper, from Navbharat Times to Times of India, front page articles. And
Right.
people were asking me, who is managing your PR? I said, God himself. But then the same question somebody asked me, कि क्या इससे scene बदलेगा? वह scene
Right.
नहीं बदलेगा, because every place has their own kind of music and own kind of listeners. For
Right.
example, Karsh Kale is a musician. I don't know if you know about him. He's an EDM artist, great, good
EDM
artist. He knows a lot of instruments.
Correct.
Karsh Kale basically fusions EDM music to Indian classical music. ऐसे ही हमारे एक सार्थक मुद्गल हैं, वो भी हैं.
Right.
ये लोग अमेरिका में भी परफॉर्म करते हैं.
Right.
और कई लोग बर्कली म्यूजिक से भी पढ़े हुए हैं, बर्कली म्यूजिक ऑफ कॉलेज से भी पढ़े हुए हैं. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि वहां पर भी सेलेक्टिव लोग हैं. अब वहां वो हिंदी म्यूजिक सुनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, तो सेलेक्टिव लोग सुन रहे हैं उसे, राइट. इंडिया में लोग रैप सुन रहे हैं तो सेलेक्टिव लोग सुन रहे हैं उसे. ऐसा नहीं है कि लवर्स नहीं है म्यूजिक के, डेफिनेटली हैं. हर कंट्री में हर काइंड ऑफ लवर्स हैं. आप सोचो मिडिल ईस्ट जाओ, मिडिल ईस्ट में लड़कियों को हिंदी बोलनी नहीं आती, वो पूरे पूरे गाने सुना देंगे आपको.
Right.
आप मेरी बात समझ रहे? शाहरुख खान तो हर गाना उन्हें आता होगा. सो टू योर क्वेश्चन, द आंसर इज, बॉस, स्कोप वही है, लिमिटेड लिसनर्स हैं लेकिन. सो यू हैव टू बी द बेस्ट एंड द बेस्ट. दैट्स अबाउट इट. यू अंडरस्टैंड? So
now
that is it.
So how long have you been into the scene now? I mean, you've been rapping for how long now?
I think, yeah, on this particular question, I have been more unlucky and less luckier, because I was knowing people from the very start who have done this. From Granville, Karma, Sherry, everybody. Decibel pe, I remember I rapped for Karma long eras back, and Karma and me were rap battling, and Granville was playing. Something was happening there, and I'm doing my thing, and they were like, "We never knew you rap," because I used to look like a normal guy. I never used to wear hip hop clothes, and
Right.
I'm doing this, and then they were like, "Oh, you are the one who works in Elevate."
Right.
And I said, "Yes, I just came to see what is Decibel like, what is a club, like
Right.
other clubs apart from Elevate."
Right.
So I was there, and then I got to know these scene, and big shout out to Granville, Karma, Jeetu, all the teams who used to do hip hop parties and organize hip hop parties.
Right.
DJ Skip, big shout out to everybody out of them, because उनकी वजह से मेरे को पता चला कि भाई हिप हॉप होता क्या, ठीक है ना?
Right, correct,
और
correct.
बहुत सारे लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता कि डीजे कर्मा वो बंदे हैं जिन्होंने हनी सिंह का, वो यो हनी सिंह का टैग रिकॉर्ड किया है.
Right. Right.
So yeah, that's
I mean, yeah, a big shout out to Karma. Karma is one guy who's actually kind of got the hip hop and rap scene in Delhi.
आप इमेजिन करो, FTV ने आज से 10 साल पहले 25 years of celebrating hip hop in India की
Right.
पार्टी रखी थी, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय VH1, जिसमें कर्मा और ग्रैंडविल प्ले कर रहे थे.
Right.
तो 25 years हो चुके हैं इंडिया में हिप हॉप को, समझते हो?
Right. Right.
तो अब जाके एक डिवाइन और एक एमिवे बंटाई बना है.
Right.
So there are a lot of people who have sacrificed their whole life to get that platform there where they could, do something better out of it. Right? I remember people calling rappers like, "Acha rapper है, अच्छा dance करता होगा फिर." I have heard this also from my ears. You understand? So,
Right.
like I said, I have been lucky and unlucky, but more unlucky side, because मैं इस process में involved था, और मैंने देखा है कि बिल्कुल कहाँ से होते हुए कहाँ तक पहुंचा है. तो
Right.
अब मुझे कोई आके बोलेगा ना कि आप कमर्शियल चूज कर लो ऐसे कि आपको हिट होना है इसलिए, तो मैं बोलूंगा मैं कमर्शियल करूंगा जरूर, बट मैं इसलिए
Right.
नहीं करूंगा कि मैं वो करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा अभी भी
Right.
मन
Correct.
हिप हॉप वही वाला है जो मेरे दिल से निकलता है. You understand?
Right.
So
Right. Right.
yeah, and then the rest of the people जो भी commercial hip hop कर रहे हैं वो आज हैं ही top पे. But like big shout out to Divine and MV. दोनों बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
Right.
They're sticking to the beat, sticking to the real groove. So
Right.
they're doing it good. Yeah.
Sweet. Sweet. So now tell me, you were an aeronautical engineering student. You
Yes.
done your graduation in aeronautical engineering.
Yes, indeed.
I mean,
Yes, yes.
like, dude, like, what's up with that? I mean,
Let me
like, you're
let me
like,
mind f you a little more. Let me mind f you a little more. I've done that. Plus, I've topped the university. Plus, I got into another university and I topped that also. And I remember long time back, I kept that on my status, and DJ Kiran was like, "लड़कियां तू पटाए, पार्टियां तू कर,
right,
टॉप तू कर, हमारे लिए कुछ मत छोड़ियो तू." And I think वो post जब भी आती है तो I share it with DJ Kiran, and so
like,
yeah,
seriously,
I mean,
dude,
I've done a lot of studying.
हाँ,
So I mean, this is about it. And today, even today, like अगर मुझे आज में कुछ नया learn नहीं किया ना, जैसे for example, let me just give you a mind f a little more. Do you know human organs cannot be made on planet Earth? We can only transplant it. So do you know if they want to make it, where will they make it? They will make it in the space stations जो होते हैं. तभी आपने सोचा होगा लोग ये space station में क्यों जाते हैं, करते क्या हैं वहाँ. तो अगर आप धरती पर कोई ऑर्गन बनाते हो ह्यूमन बॉडी का, तो उसका वजन धरती की ग्रेविटी के हिसाब से होता है. विच मीन्स अगर आप 130 किलो के हो तो प्लैनेट मार्स पे आप 30 किलो के हो सकते हो. लेकिन जब स्पेस में आप बनाते हो तो वो वेट लेस होता है. सो खुशी की बात यह है कि नासा ने एक्चुअली में एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लिया जिसमें वो ह्यूमन ऑर्गन्स बना रहे हैं, और बहुत जल्दी शायद हमें ट्रांसप्लांट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी और ऑर्गन्स हम बना के किसी की बॉडी में लगा सकेंगे.
what the hell, man? Like, Acha, and you know, when I was having a conversation with you earlier, you told me that you know, God bless his soul now. He's no more with us. Just wanted to kind of, you know, take this discussion onto a little serious note. Sushant Singh Rajput was your senior.
Yeah, sort of like because I was doing the aeronautical engineering thing and he was in
This college, I'm forgetting, DCAC, but we met somewhere. I remember this because he's 34 years old. I am a little younger to him, and
Right.
so we met. We crossed paths, and we did met at some place, and we were like, "Damn! I mean, this guy is into all these other things also." And he
Right.
is freaking intelligent, and and then I got to know that he was doing some astrophysics, something. He was related to physics, basically.
Right.
Right? And that's how I got to know about him. And then I went to DCEC college, या जो भी वो college था जहाँ पर उनका कुछ हो रहा था.
and we crossed paths. We had a good conversation. We sat down, we chilled together, and then cut to सीधे जब hype खुला, तो मैं hype में उनको
Right.
एक बारी मिला again, and
Right.
this time he's promoting his movie, and I'm like, dude, what the, you know, उसके साथ के लोग ऐसे react कर रहे हैं जैसे कि you know, like they are behaving like he's a celebrity, right? You know. And he
Right,
was
obviously.
a celebrity. And then he suddenly
Right.
sees me and he's like, what? Do you have a case? And I'm like, I'm on the mic down there. So he's like,
Right.
oh yeah, cool. So some movie they came for. And the 2 times we met, we just talked about science, man. I mean, and you know, anybody who's coming up and talking about Sushant Singh Rajput and saying कि यार वो बहुत साइंस में रहता था, तो मुझे खुद भी ऐसा लगता है कभी कभार ना, I just can't talk to anybody. I need that
Right.
thing to, I need to vent out to the right person who could take it in the right way and, you know, understand what I'm saying, you know.
Like, intellectually
ऐसा नहीं होना
stimulating
चाहिए.
conversation.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes you need people of your intellect. Please understand this, right?
Right. Right.
I don't hate anybody. I can gel up with everybody, but I also need to vent out, you know. So when
That
I
gel
need
up
to
is-
vent out, I need to talk to a person who really understands what perspective I'm coming from. Like, for example, let me make you understand. Let's say hypothetically you are 32, 34 or 36, whatever you are, right? You can't
Right.
just gel up with 12वीं 13वीं क्लास का लड़का, मतलब ये उम्र का लड़का, या फिर
Right.
25-26 वाले लड़के को समझाने में काफी. Imagine that BW वाला thing. I got pissed on something and you just looked at me and said, Maddie 2B, and the moment you said 2B, and I'm like, yeah, fuck dude, I get it, but you know, this shit is going on, you know. I remember that, so yeah.
Yeah, thanks. By the way, Japs, DJ Japs is also online. He's one of our resident DJs at BW.
I know.
Yeah, thanks.
I know Jabji from when he was in Peppers. I know Ash when he
हाँ
was from he was in Peppers, and I know a lot of them, man. I really know a lot of them. These
so
guys are
yeah so
great, man.
Jabji, yeah, so Jabji is actually telling everybody my age. Thanks a lot for that, yeah. Thanks a lot, man. So tell everybody my age. But anyways, so now coming back to the rap and hip hop scene, the rap and hip hop scene. But okay, so do you have like a beat that you want to kind of or do you want to probably sing a song that you want to kind of give it out to your fans?
Okay, so a lot of people who are watching from my page, they want to listen to a song, they want to listen to a lot of songs because they know I already sing. But I will make you hear the rap which we are releasing the next. It is already recorded. Uski videos bhi ho chuki hai, and we got some beautiful Venezuelan models to be in it. And I hope you guys are gonna enjoy that video as well. But we are
Dude, मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाहूंगा यार. मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
say, हाँ, please.
Yeah, what is it with you and gorgeously looking women? Like, whenever you've come into BW also, you've always been surrounded by beautiful looking girls. Like, कहाँ से लेके आते हो तुम?
Okay, so this is one thing which a lot of people think that I do, but there is a difference to it what I do with these people. Okay. So
हाँ,
normally people क्या करते हैं? Everybody go to a club, they try to be alpha and try to approach a person and bro, ये splits वाला TV पे Big Boss में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You understand what I'm saying? But
right,
all these girls also really like to be around with people who they are comfortable with. Okay.
correct,
So
correct.
and anytime you go, I don't know if you know the scenario of UK. UK में ना doorman होता है, जो doorman आप पे comment
हाँ,
कर सकता है और अगर आप ज्यादा उड़ रहे होते हो ना, तो आपको एक dialogue मार के नीचे भी कर सकता है. अब मेरी बात समझ रहे हो?
correct, correct,
Doorman and
correct.
door bitch we call that over there. So anyway, cutting back to the point, अभी जब भी कोई क्लब में आता है ना, वो full alpha mode में आता है कि भाई मैं तो ये हूँ और मैं
हाँ,
हूँ. Bro, just be normal, just go inside, get a drink. Nobody cares who VIP you are. I remember this one thing happened at Hype long time back. There was this beautiful, beautiful woman. She's a very good friend of mine right now. She was on the gate.
right,
And she was not knowing who I am and whatever the thing is, Akil is my friend or not, what, nothing. I just went to the gate. She's like, so much of money. I said, okay, take this money. I'm going inside. And suddenly something was getting covered over there. The photographers turned and the guy who was standing with me and I got paparazzi, like big time paparazzi. And suddenly Akil Bhai is
right,
coming from behind, Tarang is coming from behind and we are clicking pictures. The whole
right,
camera moved, and the lady who asked me for the money, she's just right behind me. I said, I don't need a VIP. I just felt like a VIP in 5 seconds. Right.
right.
So what I wanted to conclude out of this is, with gorgeous woman wala answer, you don't have to show anything to somebody. Whatever you are, people will crave your vibe once they know who you are. ठीक है ना?
Sweet,
और
sweet.
लड़कियों का नेटवर्क ना फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम से बहुत तगड़ा होता है. अगर एक लड़की ने कह दिया ना लड़का अच्छा है, तो अगली 10 लड़कियों को पता है लड़का अच्छा है. बात खत्म.
पूरा एकदम.
So I have decoded it basically. I have decoded it. And second, अब जब इतना ज्ञान दे दिया तो second भी देता हूँ. Don't be a bitch. Don't transfer things here and there, right? Unless and until you freaking
Right,
know it, don't talk about it. Just be yourself. There are thousands of women
right,
around me. They talk something about other ladies. I'm like, okay, you do it. If you have a problem, go to her, talk to her. Don't tell it to me.
right,
Cause I'm not a snitch, I'm not a bitch, right? Don't tell it to me.
right,
I'm not gonna do anything
right,
about it. You have if I
right,
have a problem with you, I'm gonna talk to you. I don't care. You are 6'3", you are 7'8". I don't care. You understand? मेरी तेरे से प्रॉब्लम है भाई, मैं तेरे से बात करता. Simple. तो ये सब जो लोग करते हैं ना
true,
कि दूसरे को बताना और ये सब, it just complicates the thing. Please go and talk to the person. And why does this relate to women? Women already have too much of drama in their life. They don't want a guy with a lot of drama. Period. Let them be the drama.
sweet,
Yeah, that's
man,
what I'm saying.
sweet.
Yeah.
So now, do you want to sing something for your fans? Whoever is
Yeah.
watching?
One song I'm gonna sing. Uh,
Sure.
okay, I'm gonna mix something so that you like it, and both of the people, दो genre इसमें cover कर लेंगे.
All right.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ, ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ, ਉਹ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ, ਸਾਡਾ ਕੱਲਿਆ ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ,
साडा कलिया जी नहीं लगना सजना तेरे बिना, सजना तेरे बिना, ओ सजना तेरे बिना। ओ सानू एक पल चैन ना वे, सानू एक पल चैन ना वे, सजना तेरे बिना, ओ सजना तेरे बिना। I heard that you settled down, that you found a boy and you're married now. Pada sare gare re sa, pada sare gare re sa ma gare, pada sare gare re sa, sare ga ma pada da, sari da ni da pada pa ma ga ga re ga ma. सानू एक पल चैन ना वे, सजना तेरे बिना।
Beautiful, 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 man.
तो ये है। और बाकी यार रैप का तो देखो, आई थिंक आई जस्ट रोट अ रैप, आई एम जस्ट गोना सिंग दैट फॉर यू गाइस, जस्ट 4 लाइंस। अगर कोई भी रैपर मुझे सुन रहा है तो आई इनवाइट देम टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ एंड अ वर्स ऑन इट। आई विल सेंड यू द बीट एंड मेक श्योर कि आप उस पे एक पैराग्राफ लिखें, एंड इफ आई डू द सॉन्ग एंड इफ आई लाइक योर वर्ड्स आई विल पुट इट इन माय सॉन्ग, ओके? सो द सॉन्ग इज समथिंग लाइक, चला मैं रास्तों पे सोचते ये बात, ये खड़े हैं जो खड़े हैं क्यों खड़े हैं साथ में, मैं घूमा मुंबई में ऑटो में सड़कों में रात में। So it's just the rap thing, it's just the rap thing. Imagine the same thing. चला मैं रास्तों पे सोचते ये बात, ये खड़े हैं क्यों खड़े हैं साथ में, मैं घूमा मुंबई में ऑटो में सड़कों में रात में। Yeah? So this is the new song का 4 लाइन which I just wrote today because I was in, मुझे बॉम्बे की बहुत याद आ रही थी। So I was like, you know,
So
and
ये अभी लॉकडाउन से पहले you had gone to Bombay also, ना? You were telling me that you
yeah,
got with Haravi and everything.
I was promoting my song, Tera Mera Scene everywhere. But because I'm a rapper, so I was invited mostly to the rap shows and the rap judging thing and stuff like that. So we went to SIES, Sydenham College, Xavier's, किसमें मेरा वो शूट हुआ था? एक सबसे फेमस जो है यार, मैं भूल रहा हूँ। I keep forgetting the name of this college. Beautiful college. Wilson College. Okay, Wilson. I did Wilson College. We did 29 colleges basically. IBS, this and that, Hiranandani, SIES. मतलब एक ही कॉलेज के 4 ब्रांचेस भी किए ऐसा करके. But we got lucky somehow because वो कुछ चल रहा था तो सब कॉलेजेस के फेस्ट एक साथ ही होते हैं वहाँ पे. So we did a lot. मैंने एक दिन में 3 कॉलेजेस करे और sometimes I don't want to post the picture because एक ही शर्ट पहनी हुई है उसमें. क्योंकि इस कॉलेज से उस कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ और मैं कम कपड़े लेके गया हूँ. मैंने सोचा कम होगा. अब वहां पे जब लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे आते हुए and I'm performing at every place. The best thing which I had was a small little college. They were like यार हमारे कॉलेज में स्टार्स नहीं आते हैं, क्या आप आओगे? I said भाई मैं तो आऊंगा. मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मैंने तो गाना है भाई, मेरे को तो प्रमोट ही करना है गाना. तुम किधर भी बुलाओ. मैंने कहा कितने लोग हैं? 50 से ऊपर है ना. आ रहा हूं मैं. ठीक है. तो मैं गया उधर तो they had their own setup of ढोल ताशा. Like the beat used to, जैसे वो वाली बीट है ना, वो वाला बीट. So ढोल ताशा उनके पास. And by chance my next song is on ढोल ताशा. Okay. And it sounds like something like this. सबको सुनाते थे, सबको समझाते थे, बनेंगे बढ़ेगी, सबको बताते थे, अटका हुआ हूँ कि संभला हूँ मैं, यार है सच्चे धोखा खाया हूँ मैं, भोले का वक्तों पर तेरी मौत का साया हूँ मैं, शब्दावली को मेरी टेस्ट ना कर, वोकैबुलरी अपनी सेट तू कर, ये बीट भी मेरी, ये बार भी मेरा, अपनी सोच की बता दी शुरुआत तो बेटा, सारा ब्रह्मांड भी मेरा, अकड़ न चलेगी तेरी न चली थी रावण की भी मर्यादा को दर्शाया था राम ने भी, जीतूंगा ये हिप हॉप का गेम, सोच से भी, काम से भी, नाम से भी, जबान से भी. So the chorus of the song is चलेगा चलेगा तेरा भाई अरे नहीं रुकेगा रे तेरा भाई अरे आगे बढ़ेगा रे तेरा भाई अरे नहीं रुकेगा रे तेरा भाई. Yeah.
Sweet man. Sweet.
So that's the next song which we are done. And imagine Venezuelan girls dancing on this song. Imagine.
Well, this is like a family show. So I would not like to go into that zone right now.
Listen, there's nothing bad about talking. You know, I'll tell you something very honestly. I happen to speak a little bit of Spanish, and that has been on very good side of mine. Spanish women are beautiful. Like, I mean, they're beautiful and they're talkative. You know, they would want to talk to you if you know their language.
Right.
जैसे हमारी कंट्री में क्या होता है ना यार, हम किसी अनजान बंदे को ना हेलो भी नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि
हाँ
हमारे में डेंसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है.
हाँ
वहां पे
हाँ.
डेंसिटी नहीं है, ऐसे आप बात कर
Right.
सकते हो किसी की. तो अगर आप
Right.
जैसे मेरे स्कूल में भी ऐसा था कि यार हम ग्रीट कर सकते हैं किसी को, बट
Right.
जब मैं दिल्ली आया ना तो मुझे पता लगा कि यहाँ पे किसी को ऐसे करना या ऐसे करना, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि कोई बंदा ये कहता है कि सलाम कर रहा है मुझे.
हाँ
मतलब यहाँ इस तरीके का वो नेचर है कि लोग गलत सेंस में लेते हैं.
हाँ.
तो so if you find me kabhi socially awkward, these are the reasons, because I am pretty open to people, I am nice to people.
हाँ, होना
And
भी यही चाहिए यार, होना भी यही चाहिए. I mean, it should come from within. You know, अंदर से ही आना चाहिए कि यार, and plus मैं भी वैसे ही हूँ. You know, I mean, at the end of the day, you've seen me inside the club also. You know,
yeah.
I'm very hospitable. I like talking
Yes,
to a
yes,
lot of
yes.
people. You know, I kind of, I dance with people also. I kind of, so that's the kind of person I am. I mean, it's much better being who you are rather than pretending who you want to be.
Absolutely agreed, man. Dude, frequency. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is what these are my things which I tell to people. You know क्या pretending, अब pretend करने में ना क्या है ना, साला आपको रोज कुछ बन के दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Right.
You know, I want to be what I am for freaking 40 years because I love it. You know,
Right. Right.
I don't do it because you like it. You understand
Right.
what I'm saying?
Right. Right.
And I
Correct.
want
Correct.
my kind of people to watch me. I don't want somebody with a negative vibe to watch me. You know.
Right.
So
Right. Right.
so period. That's about it. And even you know this is something you said to me. किसी एक दिन मैं आया तो अनुराग ने मुझे बोला कि यार तू ना वीवीआईपी में चला जा. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, मैं तो लोगों के लिए फेमस हुआ हूँ, मुझे
Right.
तो लोगों में खड़ा होना है.
Right.
तो मैं भी तेरे से वीवीआईपी इसलिए ये नॉर्मल वाला जो सेक्शन है जो तुम
Right.
अब वीवीआईपी और वीवीआईपी में डिवाइड कर दिया, मैंने कहा भाई मैं तो उसी में रहना चाहता हूँ, बट मेरे
Right.
को थोड़ी सी जगह चाहिए होती है कभी कभार खड़े होने के लिए, इसलिए मैं ये
Right.
वाली जगह बोलता हूँ, वरना मैं नीचे
Right.
खड़ा होता हूँ, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Right.
यू
It's
अंडरस्टैंड.
all.
सो मैं
It,
सो आई
yeah.
आई
Yeah.
पर्सनली फील कि यार हम बने क्यों हैं आर्टिस्ट, हम इसीलिए बने
हाँ.
कि सो दैट पीपल नो एंड टॉक टू अस.
हाँ.
और स्वैग मारने के लिए तो बहुत टाइम है यार, कुछ भी करो जिंदगी में. सो वो है
है
यार.
वो तो है. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू ओके, सो नाउ आपका रैप हो गया, आपका एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग हो गई. अब आपके रियलिटी शोज के ऊपर आते हैं हम लोग. यू नो, स्प्लिट्सविला वाज वन सच.
अच्छा आप ना एक सॉरी टू कट यू, आपने एक चीज भूल गए थे.
हाँ.
स्प्लिट्सविला से पहले मैं ऑलरेडी 3 से 4 शोज कर चुका हूँ, और
हाँ.
उस स्प्लिट्सविला से जस्ट बिफोर मैंने एक शो किया था जिसका नाम था ये है आशिकी, जो मैंने
Right.
होस्ट किया था डिज्नी
हाँ,
के लिए.
जिसके लिए आप एंकर थे. यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट
यस
करेक्ट.
यस.
So,
सो
so how was that experience? How was that experience?
आर यू आस्किंग मी कंपैरिजन वाइज और व्हाट इज
Comparison
इट?
wise, I mean, being like say an anchor and then kind of being on the other side when you were in Splitsvilla, and obviously then anchoring the show when you were there. So how
Okay,
was
so
the experience?
so see, you have to understand when you go as a contestant, you're like a competitor, okay?
Right,
And there's a huge difference between competitor and an anchor.
right,
Okay. Now the first show I got because of my skill. The second
Right.
show I wanted to do on my own. There's a difference
Right.
between that.
right,
Okay. So the
Right.
second one I chose for myself. The first one I got from God. Period. That's
Right.
how it is. Okay.
right,
So ऑब्वियसली डिज्नी का एक्सपीरियंस बढ़िया था, बिकॉज यार डिज्नी में आपको वैनिटी मिलती है, मेकअप दादा मिलते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, आपको अलग लेवल मिल रहा होता है पूरी चीज का. यू नो, यू गेट एवरीथिंग, हेयर कट्स टू, मतलब सब कुछ ही मिलता है उसमें, फ्लाइट टिकट्स
Right.
यहाँ से वहां. प्लस डिज्नी में मैं हर सिटी में फ्लाई करके, वी एवरी एपिसोड वाज शॉट इन अ डिफरेंट सिटी.
right,
तो मैंने इतना सारा सिटी घूमा, मुझे पता नहीं था भोपाल भी कोई एक जगह है जहाँ पे इतना अमेजिंग सब चीजें हैं. एंड आई वेंट टू
Right.
भोपाल एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड कमाल है यार, ये तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है.
Right.
एंड फिर कमिंग बैक टू एमटीवी पे यार, बेसिकली आई थिंक एमटीवी इज रनिंग ऑन लेगेसी ब्रो. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? आई एम
हाँ,
बीइंग
वो
वेरी
निखिल
ब्रूटली
चड्ढप्पा
ऑनेस्ट
वाले
अबाउट इट.
legacy, that entire
Yeah,
legacy
yeah,
of
yeah.
MTV Select and
Yeah,
the
yeah.
age-old
MTV
anchors
Select
that
and
were there.
Shehnaz. Yeah,
Shehnaz
yeah.
and all
MTV
those
Select
people,
and
Cyrus
Shehnaz.
Saukar
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Cyrus
That was
Gupta.
only, if you ask me today to watch MTV today, I am
हाँ.
not gonna watch it. Okay?
I don't think
Like
you can
personally,
watch
मैं
it
नहीं
like
करूँ. हाँ.
right,
और मेरे को किसी को रोकना भी नहीं है.
right,
एमटीवी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो वो कर रहा है. आई थिंक दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट पीपल, दे नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग.
right,
बट मेरे लिए जो असली में मैं बोलूं तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस डिज्नी का ज्यादा अच्छा था. एमटीवी की वजह से लोग जानना शुरू हो गए, मैसेस जानना शुरू हो गए.
right.
So that's where the thing happened, and big shout out to Disney and MTV, both of
Right.
them. Yeah.
बट यार मेरे को एक चीज बताओ, अब बहुत लोग ऑब्वियसली ये बोलते हैं कि ये जितने भी रियलिटी शोज होते हैं, यू नो, एंड स्पेशली लेट्स से द रियलिटी शोज लाइक रोडीज और स्प्लिट्सविला, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक प्री डिसाइडेड, यू नो, और ये जितने भी जितने भी टैंट्रम्स थ्रो करते हैं कंटेस्टेंट्स, या जितना भी ड्रामा होता है, यू नो, या जितनी भी गाली गलोच होती है, वो सब ऑलरेडी प्री प्लान। तो ये मतलब ऐसे ऐसे क्या होता है, या दिस इज ऑल लाइक, यू नो, हवा में बातें कर रहे हैं लोग?
अच्छा, मैं आपको इसका ना आंसर थोड़ा घुमा के देता हूँ, समझदार के लिए इशारा काफी टाइप का, ठीक है?
Right.
जब आपके घर में कोई शादी होती है तो आप एक इवेंट प्लानर को हायर करते हो, उसको पैसे देते हो, एक इवेंट होता है उसमें।
Right.
जब पैसे जाते हैं तो आप क्या होता है कि घर के बच्चे डांस प्रिपेयर करते हैं, डीजे वाले को बता दिया जाता है भाई 8 बजे शुरू कर दियो, 10 बजे तक बजाइयो, क्योंकि पैसे
Right.
वसूली हैं। अब आप सोचोगे किसी किसी एपिसोड को बनाने के लिए पैसे दिए जाएंगे, तो क्या उसको कोई बंदा नहीं चाहेगा कि मेरे हिसाब से वो चीज?
राइट, गॉट इट।
आपके सारे सवालों का इसी तरीके से जवाब है ये, ठीक है ना?
Right.
तो अगर आप कोई टीवी शो बना रहे हो जिसका एपिसोड 25 से 30 लाख रुपए का बन रहा है भाई साहब, आप नहीं चाहोगे कि वो आपकी मर्जी जाए। प्लस ऑब्वियसली रेपरकशंस होंगे यार, 10 लोग आप एक कमरे में बिठा दो तो बातें ऊंची नीची भी होती हैं भाई, यू अंडरस्टैंड? आप किसी नॉर्मल हाउस पार्टी में भी जाओगे तो किसी को कुछ चाहिए होगा, नहीं मिलेगा तो थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाता है, ये कुछ हो जाती है बात। तो आप सोचो 30 दिन आप जंगली लोगों को एक जगह पे छोड़ दो ठीक है, सारे रैशेड बूजी सैसी नेस्टी लोगों को छोड़ दो आप एक जगह पे, तो क्या होएगा वहां पे? और प्लस आप ये सोचो कि मतलब आप अभी सोए हो और वो एकदम जगह मैडी तेरी बाइट है। तो मैंने कहा, मतलब मुझे आज भी याद है कि एक अमेजिंग बंदा था, ऋतिक करके था या ऋत्विक था, आई एग्जैक्टली डोंट रिमेम्बर हिज नेम। सो ही जैसे, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे ही मैं सोता हूँ ये आदमी मेरे घर दरवाजे पे खटखटाने आ जाता है, कहता तेरी बाइट है बाहर। मैं कहा तू पागल आदमी है क्या? मैं अभी तो सोया था, 5 मिनट पहले तेरे को बोला है। और वैसे मैं उससे नीचे गप्पे मार रहा हूँ खड़ा होके, ठीक है, लेकिन नहीं, उसने तब तक नहीं बोला। जैसे ही मैं सोने गया हूँ ना, मेरे को झपकी लगी है, कह रहा भाई तेरी बाइट आ गई। अब आप ये सोचो ना, आपको सोने दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, कहने का मतलब दूसरी भाषा में ना सोने दे रहे हैं ना करने दे रहे हैं तो आप इरिटेट हो जाओगे। तो अल्टीमेटली बाय द टाइम यू रीच डोम, कोई इंसान को बोलना होगा ना यार विराट मुझे ना एक गोलगप्पा खिला दे, तो मैं स्प्लिट्सविला में कैसे बोलूं, ओए मुझे गोलगप्पा खाना है अभी, तू मेरा दोस्त है। तो विराट बोलेगा हाँ तू भी मेरा दोस्त है, हाँ हम दोनों दोस्त हैं। मतलब द एंगर फ्रीकिंग कम्स आउट टू द लेवल यू कांट इवन थिंक ऑफ। सो वहां पे नॉर्मल लोग भी कुछ अलग ही सेंस में बात कर रहे थे।
हाँ, तो अच्छा
यार
अब ना मेरे को एक्चुअली आपके साथ एक चीज करनी थी। मेरे को आपकी एक वैलिडेशन चाहिए, बिकॉज as I said that I am a rapper myself.
Okay.
You're
gonna make me hear a rap.
That's what I'm going to do right now. So this is one song that I normally sing whenever there is a get together or whenever people want to hear me rap, you know, and it is a song by one of my, I mean, I would not say that he's a rapper, he's more of an actor, but Will Smith, his name is Will Smith, right? He used to have
wait. When you talk about Will Smith, you don't know something really cool about this thing. Will Smith is born on 25th September. Rapper Maddie is born on 25th September. He did a show called Fresh Bel Air Prince, which was under Disney. And I did a show which made me the biggest one. I was working for Disney. Somebody actually tweeted this to me on my Twitter saying, have you read Will Smith's Wikipedia?
Right.
I said, no. It says you have a shocking similarity to this guy's thing. And you know what was the shocking similarity? That guy was not knowing that my birthday is on the same date as well.
Right.
And when I checked his profile, I'm getting goosebumps.
Oh,
and when I checked his profile, and he was in this he was giving an interview to Oprah, and he was saying a line which I usually say to people, and in my mind I'm so mind effed that I'm saying कि अरे ये तो मैं बोलता हूँ,
right,
you know, and then he's saying the same thing, and I'm like, dude, you know. So yeah, Will Smith, man, big shout out to Willie.
Yeah, so basically, as I said, that the show is Fresh Prince of Bel Air, right? And I would like to kind of, you know, sing the title track of that song, and just let me know how I've done, because I really wanted to get like a validation from a fellow rapper, you know, on this. So it goes something like this. I would like to take a minute and sit right there
I would like to become a prince of a town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia, born and raised, shooting my days in, chilling out, relaxing, shooting some b-ball lots summer school. When a couple of guys, they're up to no good, started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared, said, move with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. When I whistled for a cab and when it came me, the license plate said, Freyson of Maine. I thought no anything I was aware. I told the cabbie, you're home to Bel Air. I pulled up to house about 7 or 8 and yelled to the cabbie, you're home, smell later. Look to my kingdom, I was finally there to settle my throne as the Prince of Bel Air.
Ah, nice. There's a song from that show.
Yeah,
Right.
man.
Yeah,
It's
that's a cool one.
like, dude, like seriously.
You know what? I'll tell you something very honestly. I'll tell you one thing very honestly. If there was a beat on this song and you were doing it, everybody would have gone mad. Oh my god, this guy is so dope, you know. Like seriously. Next time you do that, you better do it on the beat, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Because I could have that beat in my head, you know? Like I
Right.
knew what's the beat like.
Right,
You know?
right.
So
So now tell me, dude. I mean, like what's the next thing for you now? I mean, what are you going to be up to? Are there going to be more reality shows that you're going to be probably now signing up and you're going to be doing, or is it just the singing that you're going to be concentrating on right now? What's your plan? Let's say now post lockdown now.
okay, so we've got a lot of songs. We've got 7 to 8 songs, 2 producers, they're working for me and super cool things coming up.
Right.
Uh, because you asked me this, I'm gonna tell you something. The first album I released with Universal, I thought, you know, this was my goal. I've done it. Now what? Now back to the same thing or what? Like what?
Right.
TV shows done, this done, being on TV done, Mama
Right.
ka sapna pura done, all money Papa has, wo bhi done, sab theek hai,
Right.
okay, cool. Now
Right.
what? So I got
Right.
so you know, directionless. I was like, damn, now what to do? You know?
Right.
And then I realized, bro, I love music and I love dancing. So you're
Right.
gonna see me a lot more dancing and
Right.
performing and singing,
Right.
and it's gonna be happening all on my YouTube. Cause इतने सारे OTTs आ ही गए हैं, तो वो
Right.
कभी ना कभी तो हमसे सामान खरीदेंगे ही, बेचारे कब तक चलाएंगे बाकी चीजों को। तो समझदार के लिए इशारा काफी है कि इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट बनो, मत इधर उधर फंसो,
Right.
अपना कम बनाओ, अपना खाओ, अपना उगाओ, बात खत्म. So
Right.
yeah, that's about it. And
Right.
if you are a rapper listening to me, if you're a singer, content creator, make your own stuff, put it on YouTube. At least that would make you big, you know.
Right. So you actually think you actually think that this platform YouTube actually kind of makes and shapes people into becoming big celebrities in the future?
Yeah, I mean, see, you know why YouTube? Because it gives you seasoning also.
Okay.
It gives you legal seasoning. Please understand. Hardik Pandya never had an idea what to go and speak on a very big platform. He went straight up to that platform, said something bullshit, and kaam ho gaya kharab.
Obviously.
Now that guy is not a bad guy. Please understand this. He's not a
Right.
bad guy.
Right.
But he was just not seasoned for that particular thing. He's very seasoned for a cricket match.
Right. Right.
Like, and you and me are not. If we
Right.
end up in a international match, we will kill ourselves probably.
Right.
You know,
Right.
because
True.
the ball would go so fast, right? But
Right.
anyway, cutting back to the point, it's important to get seasoned. People are
Right.
not realizing this. They are going quickly up, and then they are not realizing कि अब क्या करें,
Right.
right? So what people are denying right now is the effort which goes inside to become something. You can't just leave a 18 साल का बच्चा on the LOC with a gun.
Right.
He will die.
Right.
That's why military people take training, you know.
Right. Right.
So similarly, to take the hardships of a profession, you take internships.
Right.
And that applies to music and famousness and whatever things you think in life.
Right.
You know,
Right.
no, there's no shortcut. Period. चाहे टॉप पे जाके फिर गिरने के बाद आप सीखो,
हाँ.
ठीक है ना, या धीरे धीरे सीखो, लेकिन अगर आप पहले सीख के जाओगे तो
Right.
आप बहुत लंबी दूरी का घोड़ा बनोगे और बहुत लंबे दौर तक चलोगे.
Right. True that.
ठीक है
True
ना, तो
that.
अपने
True that.
rather than you know, sharpen your axe before cutting the tree,
Right.
you know. And the second thing which I follow in my life is the more the soldier bleeds at the practice field, the less he bleeds at the war field.
Right.
So I don't mind taking time and becoming less famous right now, and I'm okay with it. But when
Right.
I will be there, bro, when
Right.
I will be there. You know what I'm talking about.
True
So
that.
it's
True
okay.
that.
If it takes time, it's okay. Lil Wayne got famous at 42, man. I'm still
Right.
away from that.
No,
Yeah.
obviously, dude. Obviously. So, now, just wanted to ask you, who are your who's like been your idol or who's been like your inspiration? You spoke about Tupac. Obviously, he's like an inspiration to a lot of rappers out there.
Okay.
But then, who's been like your idol? Who you kind of
I'm gonna I'm gonna say very controversial something in context of Tupac. Okay.
Okay.
Also, there's this famous comedian who has said that before. I think Cat Williams has said that, and one more another comedian from his era has said that. Um, Tupac was a great rapper. Okay, but he was not a great person. You know why do I say this? Because he was snitching on the records. Please understand this. If you and me are doing something wrong, you don't want me to snitch on yourself.
Right.
And you know snitches get stitches. Okay.
Right.
So
Right.
ideally, if somebody is following him like his life, that's
Right.
not a good idea.
Right.
If he's writing that and trying to be lyrically as good as Tupac Shakur, good, right?
Right. Right.
But not as his life, because they ended up killing themselves.
Right.
Two good friends, Biggie and and then they started talking about his wife and you know what I'm talking about,
Right.
right?
Right.
And India में
Right.
भी ये चल रहा है आजकल, dissing culture, है ना? कि इसको
हाँ.
diss करो, उसको diss करो. So this is here right now. I'm saying this, guys. Anybody who's watching it, this is a warning and literally a very important thing. If you diss somebody, somebody would diss you. And
Right.
dissing always ends up into some major shit.
True.
Period.
True.
Just दो लोगों की लड़ाई, दो रैपर्स
Right.
की लड़ाई इतनी बड़ी हो गई
Right.
कि वो दोनों मर गए.
Right.
अब YouTube पे लोग एक दूसरे के उल्टा बोल रहे हैं कि सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल जाएंगे, सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल जाएंगे.
Right.
समझ रहे हो? ये टिकटॉक स्टार्स भी यही कर रहे हैं, यूट्यूब स्टार्स भी यही कर रहे हैं, फलाना आपस में लड़ रहे हैं, ये सब
हाँ.
चीजें. This is not gonna give you anything,
Right.
right?
Right.
So we should learn from these people. Remember, Ram was not praised because what he was. Ram was praised because he kept his maryada in every point of time.
Right.
He was not a successful man. Lost his wife. His wife got kidnapped. He fought for freaking years. 14 years he was in a jungle.
Right.
Right? He did nothing for himself.
Right.
So he's praised because he kept his saneness and insaneness.
Yeah, he stuck to his morals and जो भी
Yeah.
उनको सिखाया था, तो वो उसी के ऊपर, उसी मुकाम पे चले हैं और एक obviously नाम तो obviously बना ही है, मतलब उनका तो
Yeah.
खैर.
So this is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to say कि भाई अपना काम करो, अच्छे से करो, मर्यादा को बनाए रखो, देर आएगा दुरुस्त आएगा, लेकिन जल्दी
Right.
के चक्कर में अपना नुकसान मत कर देना.
Right.
बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडा है. टाइम लगेगा लेकिन हो जाएगा.
But you still haven't answered my question. Who's your idol?
Okay, idol in rappers or
In
in
rappers.
singers or in music. Okay, in rappers
In-
it would be Kendrick Lamar any day. Right now it would be Kendrick Lamar. Old times, if I go back to the Immortal Productions and this definitely Tupac has to be there, man. It's in my list. Yeah. So yeah, I mean that's about. This is my list.
And as far as
Immortal Productions.
and as far as music is concerned in general,
Hariharan sir.
whoa, that is like.
Let me make you hear something because we have talked about it. इन सांसों का देखो तुम पागलपन ये आए नहीं न चैन मुझसे ये बोली मैं बाहों में तेरे अपने बिछा दूं ये नैन इन ऊंचे पहाड़ों से जा दे दूंगा मैं अगर तुम ना आई कहीं तुम इधर जान उम्मीद मेरी यूं छोड़ो इधर ये जहां छोड़ू मैं मौत और जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में दे दिया रे आई रे ले मैं आई हूँ तेरे लिए छोड़ा मौत और जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में दे दी.
Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, like, but you know, it's actually for the first time I've heard someone taking Hariharan's name as far as being an inspiration or being an idol is concerned. You know, Hariharan is not talked about as such. Although his music, his voice is fantastic.
Bro, you know why do I like this guy? There's a reason to it. Uh, Fun-loving guy, enjoying every moment, have
Right,
a great wife, have a great family, has had ups and downs, never talked about it, did every kind of music from
right,
in the collaboration they had in Leslie Lewis and you know Leslie Lewis and this in
right,
him.
right,
Um, these are times when channels आते थे म्यूजिक के और उस टाइम पे बात होती थी. एटीएम का टाइम था, वो ऑल टाइम
right,
म्यूजिक नाम का एक चैनल आता था.
right,
सो उस टाइम के गाने ये सब, एंड सिंस दैट टाइम मैंने उनको देखा है हर तरीके के गाने गाते हुए. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग आई लव्ड अबाउट दिस गाय, ही कैन सिंग एनीथिंग
right,
एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड
right.
आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, आजकल गाने बन रहे हैं कि बस नाच लो, बस नाच लो,
Uh,
बीट आनी चाहिए बस, ठीक
uh,
है. दिस गाय कैन गिव टेक यू टू एन एक्सपीरियंस.
right,
योर बॉडी विल ooze एंड से कि बॉस ओके मैं बैठ जाता हूँ, आप गाओ और सुनो.
right,
और मैंने ये लाइव वीडियो में भी बोला है अगली मेरी यूट्यूब वीडियो में कि अगर हरिहरन जी या एडेल या इस तरीके कोई आर्टिस्ट अगर आते हैं तो मैं खुद फैन के तौर पे जाऊंगा और चुपचाप वहां पे मुंह ढक के बैठ जाऊंगा, भाई मुझे गाने
right,
सुनने हैं.
right.
यू
Correct.
अंडरस्टैंड. सो
True,
आई एम लाइक
true.
दैट. मेरा फैन बनने का मकसद ये नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे किसी को लाइक करके छोड़ दूं.
Right,
If I like somebody, I like that person's personality, music, things like that. Otherwise, I don't like anybody. Period.
right, right.
So Hariharan sir, definitely.
And as far as the rappers of today are concerned in India, you
Hmm.
have the likes of obviously Yo-Yo Honey Singh started it off.
Hmm.
Bohemia was the first original rapper of India, right? Bohemia was
Okay,
there.
he's not from India. He's from Peshawar.
I mean, yeah, but that entire obviously, you know.
Yeah, correct.
So
I get
all
it.
of
The
that,
genre Desi hip hop.
but then, yeah. I mean, finally, who would you say that is kind of the legitimate Indian rapper of all people right now?
देखो यार, अगर देसी हिप हॉप की बात करी जाए तो it is definitely Bohemia. And
Right,
big shout out to Bohemia Paji if you by chance see this
right,
video. But
right,
anyway, so he's pissed from a lot of people because he's thinking कि यार सब लोग वो नई बात करते हैं जो करनी चाहिए एक्चुअली में.
right,
राजा की स्टाइल अलग है वैसे भी. और
right,
रही बात इंडियन रैपर्स की, तो यार हाँ, हमें हनी सिंह को ही देना पड़ेगा वो खिताब, क्योंकि
right,
हमारी कंट्री में सबसे बड़ा ना वैलिडेशन प्लेटफॉर्म है बॉलीवुड.
right,
और अगर आप वहां पहुंच गए ना, मतलब आप पहुंच गए बस सही जहां पे पहुंचना था.
right,
समझ रहे हो? तो हनी सिंह डेफिनेटली ही इज अ ग्रेट मार्केटर. whatever
right,
he has made, अगर मैं साफ बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ही इज सच अ ग्रेट मार्केटर. अगर उसने बेकार भी चीज बनाई होगी ना, he has the
right,
power to sell it.
right.
You understand? And
True that.
anybody who's hating on him right now, when they will get into my age, they will understand what I'm talking about. कि
Right,
भाई वो गंजे को कंगी बेच देता है, वो
right,
वाला इंसान है. अगर आप में वो वाली अगर आप अगर आप वो वाली क्वालिटी भी रखते हैं अपने अंदर तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. You
right,
understand? So
right,
he is a great artist definitely because he knows what to do about his music. Right
right.
now इंडिया में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, गाना सबको बनाना आता है पर
हाँ,
बेचना किसी को नहीं आता.
right. Correct, correct,
और
correct.
उसके लिए लोग जा रहे हैं तरसेम मित्तल के ऑल अबाउट म्यूजिक में, यहाँ पे वहां पे पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ पे, है ना. पर बता
Right,
कोई नहीं रहा कि होगा कैसे.
right, right.
डू
True
यू नो
that, true
इंडियन
that.
आर्टिस्ट आर ओनली लैकिंग द बिकॉज ऑफ द ओनली पॉइंट की म्यूजिक मार्केटिंग क्या होती है.
Right,
इंडियन आर्टिस्ट को ये नहीं पता कि फ्री में कॉपीराइट कैसे होता है. एडवोकेट से 10,000 रुपए कॉपीराइट करा रहे हैं भाई.
so
ठीक है
there's
ना. सो
obviously, you know, at the end of the day, you know, Maddie, there's obviously a lot to learn, and there's a very long road ahead, as far as artists are concerned. But I think, you know, India is on its right path, and with people like you, you know, in the spectrum, and with people like you in this arena, I just feel that definitely, as far as rapping is concerned, we will hit a whole new high, and we will hit the right note, and our rappers will get internationally recognized also.
I think that has been already started. रफ्तार ने अभी एक कोलैब किया है बाहर के बंदे के साथ. Even बादशाह did
Correct,
sketches
yes.
का something. So which is
Right.
very, which is, you know what, you have to understand, genre is all about music, not about your words. I remember एक
Right.
कौन सा एक song था Wisin and Yandel के साथ, right?
Right.
They're not his country
Right.
people. They did it in his own language, right? So
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है कि Indian artists are not doing good, right? I'm not saying that at
Right.
all. We are definitely
Right.
on the right path and exactly the right path. But
Right.
it's gonna take time because हमारी
It's gonna take time.
जो भाषा है वो डिफरेंट है और हमारे में हम लोग सुरीले लोग.
Right.
आप अगर जाओगे तो आपको दिल्ली में गाली पढ़ने का भी एक टोन होगा, एक धुन में सुनाई
Right.
देगी वो गाली. आप बॉम्बे
Right.
जाओगे तो
Right.
वहां पे भी गाली धुन में सुनाई देगी. सो ये
True
फर्क
that,
है.
true.
सो वी आर, बट या we will have such a beautiful amalgamation of Indian music with hip hop
Right.
that you will see in the
Right.
future, and I'm hoping that.
With that said and done, I'm actually running out of time. I wish I could kind of have this conversation with you for a far longer time, but unfortunately this platform doesn't give us that much time. So I would just like to say thank you so much for coming onto the show, and thank you so much for kind of coming on and making this entire evening so lively with your entire perspective. And I hope to kind of collaborate with you very, very soon.
thank you so much. Pleasure. It's all pleasure. Thank you.
Right.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Maddie. Stay safe, man.
Stay safe as well. Bye.
See you. See you. See you. So, guys, that was rapper Maddie for you. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. We did a couple of rap songs. उन्होंने अपने rap songs गाए, मैंने अपने rap songs गाए. So I hope you guys liked this entire interaction. And with that said and done, this is your host and host, Virat Chabra, signing off from the show today. I'm going to be there next week with another artist, and we're going to be having a whole lot of fun. So with that said and done, good night, Shabba Khair, hasta la vista, Auf Wiedersehen, and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay beautiful. See you guys. Sayonara.